Hello student, let us see the problem number 7. What the problem they are saying, students? Why are BeSO4 and MgSO4 readily soluble in water? So student, BeSO4 and MgSO4, these are soluble in water. Okay, this is a soluble in water, student, right? Second point, if you talk about while, okay, in water, while CaS4, SrSO4 and BaSO4 are insoluble. CaSO4, SrSO4 and BaSO4, okay, these are insoluble. Okay, so dear student, if you talk, this is the solubility. If you talk about solubility of salt, solubility of salt. So it is depending on two factors. The factor number one is hydration enthalpy. The first factor is what, student? Hydration enthalpy. And if you talk about the second factor, student, that is lattice enthalpy. Lattice enthalpy. Okay. Now dear student, when it will be soluble, so that is hydration will increase if hydration enthalpy. If you talk about, if hydration enthalpy greater than lattice enthalpy, okay, lattice enthalpy, then the salt is soluble. Then the salt is soluble. Salt is soluble. Up dear student, if you talk about this is, if you talk about this salt, okay, so it is the lattice is high. In this case, lattice is high, lattice enthalpy is high. Okay, this is the lattice enthalpy is higher. Okay, higher than, lattice enthalpy is higher than what, student? Lattice enthalpy is higher than hydration. So if the lattice enthalpy is higher, student, so less soluble. So what is, student? So you can say that is less soluble. So we can write that is so less soluble, student. So less soluble. So it is less soluble, right? Up dear student, if you talk about this salt, if you talk about this salt, so hydration is more than lattice. You can say for this one, hydration is more than lattice. Hydration is more than lattice. Hydration is more than lattice. Okay, so if the hydration is more than lattice, student, so that soluble. So that soluble. Okay, soluble. But in this case, lattice enthalpy is higher than hydration, so less soluble or insoluble. You can say basically or insoluble. Okay, that is what the question they are asking. In the question they have asked, student, why BeSO4 MgSO4 readily soluble? Because hydration enthalpy is more in water, while CaSO4 SO4 insoluble because the lattice enthalpy is high than the hydration. Okay, let us read out the slide, student. The hydration enthalpy of BeSO4 MgSO4 are quite high because of small size of Be and Mg2 plus ion, Be2 plus and Mg2 plus ion. These hydration enthalpy value are higher than their corresponding lattice enthalpies, and therefore BeSO4, MgSO4 are highly soluble in water. However, hydration enthalpy, that is calcium sulfate, strontium sulfate and barium sulfate, are not very high as compared to lattice enthalpy, and hence these are insoluble in water. So this is our required answer, student. If you find this little bit helpful, student, please do like and subscribe, student. Please do like. Thank you, student, for watching.